Hi, it's Kimberly, and it's Friday, and I have a public service announcement that I'd like to share with you, and I ask you to share with other people because it appears that Anne Arundel County has a circulating scammer out here trying to dupe recently settled buyers into allowing them into their house. The scam goes like this. Somebody knocks on your door, they show you this badge and it says they're from ADT or Baltimore Gas and Electric. The ADT scam right now is for the ADT security system. It's a scam. They knock on your door, they show you the badge, and they say that the seller has paid for you as the buyer to get a free security system up to $2,000 installed. It's a scam. Your real estate agent or your seller's agent would have told you about such a wonderful gift. And this person tries to get into your home saying that they are there to draw the schematics for the install. And they show you this badge that looks like an ADT legit badge. As we know, there are a lot of people out there showing fake badges and fake papers. So don't let them into your house. In fact, I suggest you get your phone out, snap a picture of them, make sure you can see their face, and snap a picture of the car that they're driving, the car that's been reported to me on more than one occasion recently. It is a maroon sedan with blackout windows. There's a driver, and the passenger is the one who knocks on the door. So take a picture, take a picture, take a picture, and immediately call the police and report it. That's right. Call the police and report it, or ne'er-do-well that needs to be stopped. So share this video with anyone that you know that has recently bought a house, and I don't know if it's happening in other counties, but I'm going to say that where there's one ne'er-do-well, there's more than one, and they're sort of like crawling around there. So let's put a stop to these type of people. Don't open your door. Don't let anyone in. Take a picture, take a picture, take a picture. Send it to the police, call the police, and be safe. Have a good one. Take care.